Hey, just getting ready for the Plein Air Convention here. I primed this very smooth Clausen's linen with Rublev lead oil ground. Put 3 coats of it on, and now I just got to subdivide it between the panels that I need. Okay, got this glued on here. This is the smooth lead primed linen. I haven't painted on the surface in a long time in plein air, so Branson's going to be my first time doing it in quite a while. Okay, this is an artist closet when you have Native American props and frames, paintings, all kinds of stuff. Even a couple of Star Wars toys from when I was a kid right up there. And I got to get my plein air painting backpack down right there. So this is going to be interesting going through all of this stuff. All right, here we go. Okay. It's got the backpack, hiking backpack. It's got all my stuff in it. And we got the tripod in here as well. So in here I have some paint. Got a couple canvas panel holders, panel packs. These things are nice. Some paper towels. From a brush holder, I just use a fishing tackle thing to stick my brushes in. Got a pliers in there in case you need to open up some tubes. And I have my really old open box M. I have 2 of these. A kind person from my church gave me a second one, completely new, never used, which I have not used yet myself. This one is a bit beat up, but and sometimes it's challenging to open because it sticks, because I've used this forever. But you can't buy these anymore. They are no longer in business, but they made some good, nice, lightweight pochette boxes when they were in business. So I'll bring this, and I'll bring the back up as well, just in case this one does break. I dented the things right here at one point out plein air painting. The wind knocked down my pochette box, but should be in good shape. And got my mineral spirits can, small can of mineral spirits. I'm going to have to bring some backup on that, and some other stuff in the front. I have this little backpack on here. I will actually stick a big rock in this, and wrap it around my, hang it on the bottom of my tripod when it's windy to help hold it up. And I almost forgot one of the most important things, my cowboy hat, though I might be wearing this one instead. These look cool, I'll admit, but that's not the main reason I wear these. The main reason I wear these is to keep the sun out of my face. Baseball caps just don't do it. If the sun's at your side, it's going to be hitting you in the eyes. So these are really nice for keeping the sun out of your eyes. This is actually a Stetson. It's a cheaper one. You can tell the leather's starting to stain it, but this is my summertime one because it's a lot cooler, it's lighter, and it has a chin strap if it's windy. This is my cooler weather one. This one's heavier, it doesn't need a chin strap. I like this one a little bit better, but it's leather and it gets pretty hot in the summertime. I got a whole bunch of brushes in here. These are all Rosemary and Company. I've been slowly going through, but I ordered a whole ton of them. And I want to give a little shout out to Silver Brush Company as well. They sent me some brushes to try at the Plein Air Convention, along with some kind of cool stuff. So I want to see how they work. I haven't used silver in a long time, so I'm going to test them out at the Plein Air Convention and see what I think. Now at the Plein Air Convention, I'm going to be giving a talk about shadows, the different colors and shadows, what affects the colors and the values. And if you can make it, it'd be great to see you there. But if you can't, if you check out the video, the little link should show up either here or here. And you can click on that, watch it, and that's kind of a summary of what I will be talking about at the convention. Also at the convention, I'm going to be giving out to the first 100 people that show up this printout summary of my talk, Truth About Shadows. So you can get there and see my talk. It's going to be Saturday at noon, by the way. And also to the first 100 people, they're going to be able to get one of these, which is a printout of the illustration describing the concepts that I'm going to be discussing during my talk at the convention. If you watch the video on rocks that I just made, if you go to the end, you watch it to the end if you haven't already, you can get instructions on how to get a PDF that you can download and then print out to use when you're out painting yourself. Brushes. These are the Rosemary & Company Series 279, I think it is. Really like these brushes.